In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts from a CSV file. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move your saved contacts into Google Contacts in just a few clicks, and what to expect along the way. First, open a desktop browser and go to contacts.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account where you want these contacts to live. If you manage multiple accounts, double-check the profile picture in the top right corner so you import to the right place. Once the page loads, look to the left-hand sidebar and choose Import. If you don't see the sidebar, click the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to expand the menu, then select Import. This takes you to a simple prompt that handles the entire upload. A small pop-up will appear. Click Select File. Navigate to the .csv file on your computer and choose it. A CSV, or comma-separated values file, is a plain text file that organizes your contact data into columns like name, email, and phone number. If your file has clear column headers, things like first name, last name, email, Google Contacts will usually recognize them and place everything in the right fields automatically. If you exported this file from another service or phone, that's perfectly fine. CSV is designed for exactly this kind of transfer. After you've selected the file, confirm by clicking Import. Google will process the file and you'll see a brief confirmation message letting you know the import is complete. The timing depends on how many contacts you're bringing in, but for most files it's done in seconds. When it's finished, your new entries will appear in your contacts list, often grouped under an imported label with the current date so you can easily spot what was added. A few quick tips to make the import clean and accurate. If you notice any accented characters or special symbols in names, those typically carry over without issues, but it helps if the file was saved with standard UTF-8 encoding. Duplicate contacts may be detected and merged automatically, but if you see a few similar entries, that's normal after an import and can be tidied up later. Also, if your file includes fields like company names or job titles, Google Contacts will store those too, as long as the header names are understandable. That's it. Open Google Contacts, choose Import, select your SV, and click Import. With these steps, you can quickly centralize your contacts and keep them accessible across all your Google services.